This is Mr. Shedrock, and I'm happy to have uh, to shoot this video. And this is Legiscap is online, a place where we teach ethic online and information marketing business in the world. Do me a favor, do us a favor by liking, share this video, so that whenever a video like this is released, you'll be first to be notified. Okay, just subscribe to the channel so that whenever a video like this is released, you'll be first to be notified. Okay, in this video we are looking at a formula which is very simple for those of you that are interested to going for the SME to corporate data sharing business. Okay, now instant mobile, which is one of the oldest platform, started around 2016, and we are still working fine now because we have been able to perfect so many technology on the application. So we are live and direct kicking. So we reviewed the about instant mobile in our subsequent videos. We have reviewed it before, but if you have not yet watch the video, go through the channel so that you can see more review on that. Okay, but after the review, so many people were calling, sir, how are we going to start this business? That specifically we want to start data's reseller business, but the prices of data, can it be cheaper than what we are getting from other places? So we have been able to take that into consideration. Being a service provider, we are the one providing the service. Okay, we are making it to be a reseller system, not just a buying of data. You buying data from instant mobile is like you are a reseller. Okay, data has been very cheap, but there is two data plan here. Okay, we have SME data here. Okay, if you go to the app, that's instantmobile.com.ng/app, you'll be able to see so many services, but one of the services that is here on the app is, you can see MTN data smart plan. This one is for the direct data. Then we also have MTN data. Do you get it now? So this particular one, let me take it down a little bit. Okay, this particular one, which you can see here, which is MTN data smart, is SME data. Okay, but that's not what we are trying to do here. The particular data plan we are trying to do here is sorry about the intro message. So the one is corporate gifting. Okay, just there's a lady that is very tiny. Okay, just click on that. That is corporate gifting. So when you click on this, you'll be able to see the list of the corporate MTN gifting data plan. Okay, one thing I like in the corporate MTN data plan is that it is very cheap. Okay, the cheapness on this cannot be attributed to maybe we are trying to make to lure you into a service that we close. No, this is actually a new hot promo we are running. Okay, so those of you that are interested to go in for the data business, it is now high time you start it. So when you click on MTN corporate gifting, you'll be able to see the prices. So you can see at the moment of recording this video, you can see the price of 1 gig is 255 naira, 255 naira. 2 gig is 510 naira. So our formula is very simple. We are trying to use 2,550 naira to make over 30,000 in a month. So how does it really works? It's very simple. Since you are buying 1 gig for 255 naira, so what it is that your target here is to get at least in a day to get 10 clients who has subscribed for data. Okay, so and each data subscription costs nothing but what, 255 naira. Okay, so what it means is that you need to fund your wallet with 2,550 naira. Okay, because that's we give you 10 gig worth of data. Are you getting it? So once you have funded the account with that, you now sell. When you have finished selling it, you still fund the account with 250 naira, because if you sell, once you fund the account with 250 2,000, please, I beg your pardon, please, this is 250 times by 10, which is 2,550. Now you have to sell a gig of data for 5 355 naira per gig. That is the formula. Okay, when you sell per gig 355 naira, if you minus your cost price, which is 255 naira, you are left with 100 naira per gig of sales as a profit. So if you now times it by 10, if you are selling 10 in a day, it is 1000 naira. You can rewind this video so that you can able to understand the formula. Okay, so that means this 1000 naira you have made for 10 selling of 10 gig. If you multiply it by 30 days, is 30,000 naira. Okay, you may sell above that or below that, but your average profit, your average monthly salary for this business is around 15,000 naira. Okay, 15 to 20 to 30,000 naira. So get started with the business. The process is very simple. Register an account. You'll be provided with an opportunity to generate your account, a bank account. Once you generate the account number, you will be funding your wallet there. Just send money into the account. The system will automatically credit you with that amount. Then you start vending. It's very simple. It is a business that has come to stay. So start the MTN corporate gifting in instant mobile. We are the #1 data reseller business, and we are not going anywhere, and this is an opportunity for you to start this business. Don't think that there is a better place to start. We have been in the industry for four to 5 good years. So this is an opportunity you have been waiting for. So get started, become our resellers, and of course, let's hook you up. If you're a portal owner, contact Mr. Shadrack on 081363744 so that we can link you up, so that we can program the system to work for you. That is if you're a portal owner. So get started. This is an opportunity for those that are interested. Okay, now get started. And of course, remember, subscribe to the channel, like, share this video so that whenever a video like this release, you'll be first to be notified. Remember my quote: see you at the top. I don't want to see you at the bottom, because I don't like being at the bottom. Thanks and bye for now. We are going to see you in the next video. Thanks and bye.